afternoon, students. We are discussing regarding the story how the dog found himself as a new master. And according to that only, dog first only went to the wolf, after that he went to the bear, and after that now he is going to meet to the lion. And of the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to do it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long, long and long. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. Means now only the situation was like this only, that first only the dog thought that the wolf is the strongest person. But when bear was there, he left the wolf and he asked the bear that he will become the master of him. Bear agreed. After that only, when he found the terrible voice of the lion, he left the bear also. And after that only, he was become a servant of the lion. Many days like this only it was passed. It is a very good life of the lion and the dog, because each and everything whatever the dog needs, these all particulars lion is providing to the dog, and because of that only no any complaints are there beside of the dog also and side of the lion also. Together nicely they are doing the work with each other. But what it was happened, that always dog is thinking that the lion is the strongest person over the earth, on the earth only, and because of that only, no any another animal is making the dare to touch to the dog, because dog is the servant. Dog is the servant of the lion, and lion is the master of the dog. Yes or no, students? After that only, what it was happened and how actually the man was become the master of the dog. We will see the next part. But one day, the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great whoop. Now only the lion and the dog, they are there with each other. Many days passed, but nobody is having any complaint of each other. And because of that only, but one day, the two of them were walking side by side along a path, and that ran amid bare leaves, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw, with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. Many days passed, many months passed, many years passed. Dog and lion, they are become the servant and master to each other, and they are living very good life with each other. But one day, what it was happen in the forest, the dog and the lion, they are walking side by side along the path with each other, and suddenly he the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily. The behavior of lion, it was totally changed, and he gave a great roar. Now nicely he was shouted on. He was make a great roar, and he he saw the steps or the high rock steps of the sea, and what it was the struck the ground angrily with his paw. He is striking the ground angrily with his paw, and with such force that a hole formed there, and it was a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. When he saw that hole, that time only he was began to back away very quickly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. When the behavior changed of the lion while striking, that time only the dog was surprised, and dog asked to the lion, "What is that, master? Is that anything is wrong? Why you back away? Any wrong things are there? What is it, master? Is anything wrong? What is this, master? Means what it was happened, master? Why you are behaving like this only? Anything was wrong here?" Asked the dog. With in a surprise mood, he was asked to lion, and "I smell a man coming this way." The lion told to dog that "I smell a man coming this way." The lion said, "We'd better run for it or we will be in the trouble. We have to run away from here because man is coming this side. I smelled that. And suppose we will run away, otherwise we will come in trouble. Otherwise we will come in trouble." Like this only lion told to the dog. "Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth." Now only the lion suddenly told to the dog that now only I smell that man is coming this side, and suppose we will run away from this, otherwise we both have to come in trouble. Now only dog replied to the lion that now only I have to give goodbye to you because I need the strongest person on the earth. Up to this moment, I thought that lion is the strongest person on the earth, but now only I got that lion is not the strongest person, but man is the strongest than the lion. Man is the strongest than the lion on the earth. And oh well, then I will say goodbye to you. And because of that only, I want to say you goodbye. And I want to a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. How I like the master, how I require the master. Dog told that I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. And off the dog went to join the man, and he is staying with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Means after when lion was afraiding to the man, that time only, at the same time only, the dog gave goodbye to the lion. He left the lion and he came with the man, and it was happened before a long time, but now also the dog is become a very faithful to the man. He is very useful for the man, and faithfully they both are staying with each other up to this moment also. And off the dog went to join the man. When he left the lion, he was joined the man and staying with him and served him faithfully. He started to live with the man, and he was staying with the very faithfully he was serving for the man. This happened a long ago. This was happened a long ago, but to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. And up to today also, we are knowing about that dog is the man's most loyal servant and knows no other masters also. And like this only this story was. Okay, thank you.